She is known as a CEO with a soul. She's also known for her widespread philanthropic work, especially in the inclusivity department. And what is most special about her is that it's due to her leadership that the percentage of women in her workforce has increased from 7% to a magical 30%. इसी बात के लिए इनके लिए बहुत सारी तालियां हो जाए. She is the driving force because of which the company has emerged as one of the largest exporters of home textiles from India, their largest market share being in the US, with networks spanning 50 countries across the globe. It is because of her focus that is relentless on customer centricity, on innovation, and most importantly, on sustainability. We're very, very happy to have her with us at Jito Converge 2024. आइए एक छोटी सी film देखें in praise of her achievements. Attention on the screen.
My journey to impact didn't begin in a boardroom, but as a dedicated mother at home. Today, Spaces is not only the most widely distributed, but also the most recalled home textile brand in India. We have surpassed $1 billion in revenue for 2 consecutive years, and all while placing environmental, sustainability, and governance principles at our core. From blue-collar employees to leadership positions, we have women workforce across various levels at Welspun. At Welspun Living Limited, I firmly believe that when women step out of their comfort zone, great things happen. Our SPUN initiative is involved in empowering women who were left distraught after the 2001 Bhuj earthquake. It invests in community well-being and empowerment of local women to create handmade fashion and lifestyle products. As we craft success stories, I extend an invitation to more women to join our journey of growth, innovation, and empowerment. Together, let's shatter ceilings and redefine the possibilities, building a future where we have equal equity with our contributions. It's time to support each other, grow, and celebrate collective triumphs.
किसी ने अच्छा लिखा था कि कोमल है पर कमजोर नहीं तू, शक्ति का नाम ही नारी है, जग को जीवन देने वाली, मौत भी तुझसे हारी है. मेरे गुरु मैत्री दादाश्री जी कहते हैं that the coming age is the age of Shakti. आइए, with thunderous applause, let's welcome on the Jito Converge stage a Shakti in herself, Deepali Goenka. We are so happy to have you here with us. आइए please, जोरदार तालियां. Good evening and a very warm welcome to you. Aye, please. And talking to her on stage is Sangeeta Lalwani, who is a chairperson Jito Ladies Wing. Sangeeta ji, aye. Good evening to you too and a very warm welcome.
It's fine without the chairs. Oh, they have the chairs.
We're so happy to have you with us.
Thank you.
And I think it's perfect that your session is the climax of the convention because it starts with the ladies and it ends with the ladies. ये जिसको समझ आ जाए उसे जिंदगी का मूल मंत्र समझ आ गया. Thank you very much for joining us, and Sangeeta ji, take it over. You look lovely. I love what both of you are wearing, but that apart, I'm sure we have lots more here to look forward to. Please.
Can you hear me?
And can you hear me? Good evening, Sadar Jai Jinendra sabhi ko. A very, very warm welcome to you, Deepali ji, to the Jito Converge. Jito, as you know, is our family. We are a community-based organization, but more than that, We are one big family. So a very, very warm welcome
Thank
to
you.
you to Jito. I know we are running short on time, so without any further ado, let's start. Is that
Sure,
okay?
it's indeed a pleasure to be here. But can I say something? You know, when India, we are talking about 50% majority, a journey towards 5 trillion GDP, I see women here in minority. And, you know, we always say that if we have to reach that goal of 5 trillion, the 50% population has to work and be a part of that growth.
Phenomenal, and we completely agree with you. Deepali ji, you were born as a Jain. Share with us आपकी एक जर्नी जयपुर में एक जैन परिवार के शेयर विद अस आपके अर्ली डेज
मेरे अर्ली डेज जयपुर में गुजरे मेरे दादी सा बाई जी बाबा सा ऑल ऑफ देम आई मीन एब्सोल्युटली ग्रोन अप विथ lot of love in Jaipur and I can still remember the place that I was brought up in. It was literally a palace. But the unique thing that I learned, and that was, my dadisa, my baiji, she used to say, she used to read an English newspaper. And जब मेरी शादी भी हुई तो बोलती थी कि ना बाईसा आप कंवर साहब के पास बैठा करो और समझा करो कि वो क्या बिजनेस में बात करते हैं. So you can imagine the mentality that we have been grown up with, very strong women. My mother actually comes in from Delhi, double MA in maths from LSR.
Wow.
She ran a business that time.
Wow.
She actually was, my father wasn't keeping well, so she actually ran a business. Sir Dhakkar bhi, she had a voice in the room. And I think that was my mother I saw, with a resolve, and that's what I learned. I learned a lot of things from her. I learned discipline. I learned how to multitask, how to take care of your family, respect the elders, but also work and have your own voice. And that's where my upbringing has begun.
So strong women bring up strong women.
Absolutely. I agree.
Amazing, and we can see the result over here.
Thank you.
दीपाली जी बहुत जल्दी आपकी शादी हो गई बहुत छोटी उम्र में आपकी शादी हुई बच्चे बहुत जल्दी हो गए उसके बाद आप एक ऐसे बड़े परिवार में शादी की है बिजनेस फैमिली में और फिर खुद का बिजनेस देन यू एंटर्ड इनटू द फैमिली बिजनेस वो जर्नी के बारे में हमारे साथ शेयर करें.
वो जर्नी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रही. काफ़ी लोग मुझसे रिलेट करेंगे. मेरी शादी मैं सगाई 17 साल में हो गई थी, 18 साल में शादी. And I think that time my parents didn't have a choice. My father was not keeping well. And my mother and my father wanted one of their children to get settled. And that's where she got me married. Which now I always say that अगर लड़की को settle करना है तो financial independence देनी चाहिए. It's not about marriage, it's about financial independence. And I truly believe in that. From there, when I got married, after that, my girls were 10 and 7 is the time I started working. ये बहुत interesting कहानी है, संगीता जी. It is, I think, as you said, strong women raise strong girls. I think the mother is a very important aspect of a family.
True.
I think a lot of women here will agree with me.
Yes.
I think we might get sidelined a lot of times. We might, our work absolutely gets belittled. घर संभालना है, बच्चों को भी संभालना है, बड़ों को भी संभालना है, पर जो culture है, वो भी माँ ही देती है. And it's a very important aspect to what you do. So I learned from my mother that, you have to continue to evolve. And मेरा जब बच्चे 10 और 7 साल के हो गए, and I basically always believe that as a human being, we have to constantly evolve and grow. And I think that's a very important aspect that we need to do. And I had gone to my husband. I spoke to him. I said, I have to start working. You know, the thing is, you need support from all quarters,
Yes.
but not get mollycoddled. So the very interesting thing my husband told me, he said, काम करना है ना, तो एक वेल्सपन के एम्प्लॉय की तरह काम करना.
Ah,
नहीं तो ज़रूरत नहीं है.
ah.
So, you know, and that is the kind of rigor he has still maintained. So when I started, I launched my brand Spaces in 2003.
Yes.
Then in 2006, I launched, my brand Well Home in 200 stores. And I also went to Harvard to do an OPM
Wow.
course. And I just took that leap. And that's the time my husband was here with my kids and my mother was here. And lot of times, I think your family becomes your bedrock. And I can't complete the story without my father-in-law, my Bauji. You know, my father-in-law was in the hospital, and I used to be there with him. He said, नहीं, तू काम पे जा. तू काम कर रही है, और तू काम पे जा. मुझे ज़रूरत होएगी, तो मैं तेरे को बुला लूँगा. So, you know, for me, that was a very important aspect. And the pride that he had in his eyes when he saw his daughter-in-law work. So I think families have to support one another.
Yes.
And that's where it began, actually. But another chapter of my life began in 2010 when I took on the reins of Welspun India that time. Today it's Welspun Living. It was around $400 million that time as a textile plant, textile manufacturing. Today, we closed our year at $1.2 billion as the top line. But when I got on board, I was told and I heard that is Welspun even serious about what they are doing? They've got somebody who doesn't even understand textiles. And it was completely male-dominated. So for me, Sangeeta ji, the important thing I have learned is believe in yourself. अपने पे आप जितना विश्वास करोगे, लोग आप पर भी उतना विश्वास करेंगे. I think that is just so important.
True.
And I played on my strengths, actually. I played on what I did better. That time, Welspun had around 7% women. Today, we have around 30% women.
Wow.
And the interesting thing is, though it was a male-dominated industry, the other side, the buyer is a woman.
Yes.
The buyer in the terms of the customer and the consumer is a woman.
Yes.
And I could relate to that.
Yes.
And that has been a very interesting one. So I played on my strengths. I always say, one thing is you got to learn on the go. I did that. I learned from cotton to spinning to textiles to everything, the works. But I also played on my strengths. And they were about how to get everything on the fold in the terms of the consumer, understanding the consumer globally, understanding what she wants.
Yes.
And I think in getting that whole ecosystem together, innovation being a very important backbone of what Welspun Living does, and of course, sustainability. Sustainability is the bedrock of what we do in Welspun Living, actually. So my journey began from there, and it's very heartening to tell you today and share that Welspun Living, actually, on the Dow Jones Sustainability Index, is the highest from India in textile plants. And top 3 percentile across the globe as well. So I just want to tell you
Wow.
that this is a very proud moment for us. But interestingly, this journey began, but I think as a woman, my responsibility to inspire more women was very, very important.
Yes.
So I did a program with an NGO called Swasti,
Okay.
where we did multitasking for women. Because aaj, women wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning,
Yes.
take care of their family, then get to work. In this, we got them to share the workload with their husbands and the family.
Nice.
And that's where, we got more women in the fold as well.
Yes.
And heartening to tell you, in the Equal Stock program, we did a farmers program. We worked with farmers, actually, in Nakhatrana, Wardha, and Telangana. आपको अगर पिक्चर्स दिखेंगी ना फार्मर्स की, आपको मेन की पिक्चर्स दिखेंगी, विमेन की दिखती नहीं है. We did this program where you can see where we actually launched 2,500 pictures of women. And that actually changes the diversity of the, having more women farmers in the fold as well. So I think the important thing for my journey, and I must tell you, is it's not about just doing business, but also making an impact.
Yes.
Making an impact by inspiring more women to come to the fold and really leading from the front, Sangeeta ji.
Why women? What is it that women bring on the table which men do not bring?
No, I will say it is an equal world. And women bring, I think it is a collaboration. There's a man and there's a woman.
Yes.
They collaborate to make a world that we are in today. There's that IQ and there's an EQ. And that is really so much needed in this world.
True.
In this world, when AI is coming in and disrupting this space, technology is disrupting this space, I think we'll need more emotional quotient than anything else.
Yes.
And I think that's going to be really the key to making this world the way we want to. And it's not just about a man and a woman. Now the diversity works in a different, specially abled people who work in our spinning units. You have the pride and the transgenders who work with us. So I think it's a world where you have to embrace everybody.
दीपाली जी, आपने 2-3 चीज़ें जो बोली वो जो मुझे आई थिंक हमेशा याद रहेगी. आपके फैमिली ने आपको सपोर्ट किया, आपके हस्बैंड ने कहा स्टार्ट वर्किंग एज एन एम्प्लॉय, आपके ससुर जी ने कहा बेटा काम पे जा, और तीसरा आपने और women को इंस्पायर किया and you wanted more women to join you. I think that itself is such a big takeaway from this event today.
Thank you.
So the thing is, हाँ बेटे को तो करना है सेटल, बेटे को तो करना है सपोर्ट, पर बहू को भी कर ले.
नहीं, मैं ये बोलूँगी संगीता जी, 2 चीज़ें यहाँ पर. मैंने जब काम भी चालू किया, मेरी 2 बेटियाँ हैं. एंड इट इज़ ऑलवेज, आई वॉज टोल्ड कि आपकी 2 बेटियाँ हैं, बिजनेस कौन संभालेगा, आप कैसे आगे, हाउ वेल्सपन विल गो हेड. And that's the time also I started working, actually. I opened the door for my daughters. I opened that, yes, if I can do it, anybody can do it. Coming from Jaipur, learning the roots of the business on the go, मैं कर सकती हूँ ना, तो यहाँ पर सब लोग कर सकते हैं. I can tell you that.
Phenomenal, phenomenal. An industrialist with a soul. That is what they said about. So do share with us the philanthropic work that you do.
So, I'll tell you about something. Business हम सब करते हैं. But I believe that businesses have to be the agents of change. If they have to impact, they have to lead the societies together. They have to take everybody together. 2002 में अंजार, आप जानते हैं सबसे बड़ा भूकंप आया था. Everything got shattered. So when we decided as a company to build a factory there, we actually changed the ethos of the company. We said we have to take the communities together, and that's where it all began. Today, Sangeeta ji, I remember the time when we set up the first school. मेरे बच्चे जब स्कूल में आते थे एकदम मेरे पास बजट नहीं था, एंड तो it was like they used to study out of the porter cabin, and धीरे धीरे I got the budget to get them a school. Now I don't have just one school, I have another school in the village which had 100% results this year.
Wow.
And these are children who have gone to the school for the first time, their family has gone to the school for the first time, education for the first time. And today I reach out to around 500,000 villages digitally for digital education as well. So I always believe that if a woman gets empowered, a child is going to school, because the element in India is about literacy. Because ये चीज़ fact है, आप चाइना को देखिए 100% literacy है, इंडिया में अभी भी 70% literacy है, and it's only going to change if a woman is empowered enough. So we have a program called SPUN, where we actually upcycle our rags जो फैक्ट्री में बनता है जो हमारे जो रैग्स निकलते हैं उससे हम पिटलूम में कुशन्स बनाते हैं और रग्स बनाते हैं. हम आइकिया के साथ काम करते हैं उस पर. So these women couldn't even do anything. They couldn't do even financial literacy. They learned how to sign. They learned how to operate their bank account. And now they're earning 20,000 rupees per month.
वाओ.
So मैं last week अंजार में थी. So one of the girls told me, one of the women told me, कि मैडम मैंने 2 लाख जोड़े थे. मैंने मेरे बेटे के लिए मोटर बाइक खरीदी कि वो अपना काम पे जा सकता है. So this is the power of empowerment, the power of impact that we all can create. So education is such an integral part, and also financial literacy.
Yes.
Without that, nothing works.
Yes.
And the power of a country is that today the driver, his son is not going to become a driver.
Yes.
His son will become an engineer. His son will become a manager somewhere, isn't it?
Yes.
And that's what the power of this country is. So, this is where if we can make an impact, we can make this India grow to where we want it to be.
Yes.
To the journey of 5 trillion GDP that we're
5
talking
trillion
about.
GDP. So this part I like a lot when you said कि मुझे इनमें 2 बेटियां हैं, business कौन आगे चलाएगा. And coming from there, and today your youngest daughter, Vanshika, she is doing so phenomenally well. She has bought the big company Christie, जो विम्बलडन में जो टॉवल्स यूज़ करते हैं, the green and purple towels, अपन सब ने देखे हैं विम्बलडन में, that is run, managed and owned by her daughter Vanshika. So next time when you see the Wimbledon match, remember करना एक अपनी बेटी के ये कंपनी है. Do talk to us about the journey of Vanshika, please.
So, एक चीज़ है, सहूलियत उतनी दो अपने आप को भी और बच्चों को कि वो बिगड़े नहीं. They have to be on their own. Today I must tell you about me as well. I report to the board. मेरा performance appraisal होता है, मेरा review mechanism होता है, and I report to the board. So it is nothing where I am anybody's wife here, the chairman's wife. I am a CEO of a company. So for Vanshika as well, it was her credentials, her capability. First of all, she started something called Cool Kanya, which was a startup for women.
Cool Kanya.
Cool Kanya, where women could reach out to that platform for a lot of help, support if they had to learn something from. And after that, she got into the fold of Christie. But everybody has to have their own learnings, and it has to be grueling. मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. It is not going to happen without that. It is going to be a discipline, it is going to be a passion, it is going to be commitment. Without that, nothing happens. And I think for me, I think that's what Vanshika has to do. And it's still a long way to go. It's just a beginning for her. So yeah, the journey has just begun.
But she has taken it all overseas. You were telling me Costco is one of your largest customers.
Costco is a customer for Welspun Living. We do their vendor managed inventories. We have their inventory at our warehouse in America. We have all the retailers in America across the globe. So that is only because if you have the consumer at the center, the customer at the center. I always believe customer makes your world go round. There's nobody else.
Absolutely. So how is it working with Vanshika, with the next generation? How do you bridge the generation gap?
You know, the interesting thing about the Gen Z and the millennials, I must tell you, we are all baby boomers here, right? We polluted the planet Earth. We did a lot of things to this Earth, which is not fair. But the Gen Z and the millennials will not accept it. They're very straightforward,
Yes.
they're very logical, and they will not do the things for the heck of doing. You know, for us, we did the things what we were told to do. No, they won't do it. They won't just accept it like that. And I think the important thing is to create an open culture, a feedback mechanism, where you take on the feedback from your people, your teams, and everybody as well. Because this generation will not just take anything lying down. You have to lead by an example. Because it's not going to be that if you are doing something and you ask your, the other the child or your, the millennial to do something else, they will say, why are you doing it?
Yeah.
So I think it's important to create that world which is equal,
True.
transparent, and more communicative, actually.
नो आई रिमेंबर दिस आज हम बच्चों को ये नहीं बोल सकते मैंने कह दिया इसलिए तूने करना है हमारे साथ ये कहा गया था
जी।
कि हमने तुम्हें कहा है तो तुमको ये करना है देयर आर नो क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड
बिल्कुल।
बट टुडे छोटे बच्चों को भी अपन ये नहीं बोल सकते कि मैंने कह दिया इसलिए तुझे करना है
बिल्कुल सही।
यू आर वेरी वेरी राइट व्हेन यू से दिस सो दीपाली लेट्स नाउ डू द फन पार्ट व्हाट डज अ टिपिकल डे इन अ वर्किंग वुमन लाइक यू लुक लाइक बच्चे हैं फैमिली है बैकग्राउंड सोशल लाइफ है and plus your work. So what is a typical day in Dipali Goenka's life?
So one thing, my daughters are now married. Both of them are married and settled. But one thing is very clear with me is discipline. If you're not disciplined enough, nothing works. So I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning.
Wow.
And I work out. For me, I think if you respect yourself, if you respect your body, is where anybody else will respect you. Because you have to have that quick mind, you have to have your body which is healthy, is where anything will happen. And then I'm at work at 9:30. And because I work from 9:30 till 8:39 actually, because since it's a global business as well and with my factories too. So my social work takes a little backseat. My social, I mean social gatherings or whatever, socializing is on a Saturday evening or nothing at all, because I love to read, love to work out and be on my own, and I have my Kathak as my passion.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm a trained Kathak dancer,
oh, superb.
and I have a pet called Tara,
Okay.
who was gifted to me by my daughter. So I'm her nanny, because she said, I'm getting married, so you need somebody.
Yes.
So that's where Tara is with me. So yes, I love to play with her, and that's where it is.
कोई बोलेगा नहीं आपको देखे कि आपकी दो बेटियां इतनी बड़ी है और उनकी शादी हो गई कोई नहीं कहेगा am I right in this you are absolutely gorgeous
Thank you.
Dipali ji what is your advice to all of us
Self-belief.
the men and the women here
अपने आप पे विश्वास. अगर आप अपने आप पे आप विश्वास रखेंगे तो आप सब कुछ कर पाएंगे. बिकॉज आप पे अगर विश्वास नहीं है तो आप किसी और से वैलिडेशन भी सीख नहीं करिए. बिकॉज सबसे पहले आप हैं.
you have to
And you have to respect yourself as well. Have your voice and also respect yourself. If you are not going to do that, nobody else. And one more thing, अगर आपने कुछ काम लिया है तो कई बार कई अड़चनें आती हैं, कई चीज़ें आती हैं रास्ते में. They might make you think and rethink. But believe in yourself.
yes
And believe in that cause. And never give up. That's one thing I always believe. So one is self-belief, second is never give up, and third is discipline, 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 and passion. Because passion is something that can make you work on a holiday and you don't need to go on a holiday.
phenomenal absolutely brilliant
Thank you.
So big things that we learned today, self-belief, discipline, and passion for your work. So if you love your work, you don't need a holiday. Am I right?
Totally.
Any questions does the audience have? Girls, any questions from you all? हाँ, संजय जी.
I would like the questions from the men too. Thank you.
Thank you, Dipali ji. Being from the textile industry, of course, I see much more of you and your company. My question was, you spoke about EQ and IQ. And I think so, men are supposed to have more of IQ and less of EQ generally. With AI coming in, do you think IQ will become less relevant and the women will take over?
I never say that women will take over, and they should not. But by the way, this is a feminine year, and this is the century of the feminine energy. But that doesn't mean that a man doesn't have that right. So it is an equal world and a collaborative world. When I spoke about AI, I think the important thing is there are a lot of things that was very, it took a lot of effort. Lot of things will get easy. Like, in our factories, we have Industry 4.0. And when we talk about AI, even to understand the consumer, in fact, like how you can recommend what that consumer is going to buy, those are the things AI can really help you. And it can reach and multiply, multifold, and that's what AI is. But to your question, you need the yin and the yang to, have the world go around. Thank you.
दीपाली जी, आपने कहा मेंशन किया था कि एवरी चैलेंज इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी इफ यू लर्न फ्रॉम इट. कैन यू एक्सप्लेन लिटिल?
मैं एक एग्जाम्पल से आपको एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. 2016 हमारे साथ एक इशू हुआ था इजिप्शियन कॉटन का. वो टाइम मेरे लिए बहुत एकदम मुझे धक्का लगा. I think here men take, I think failures far more, I think, thoda sa, little casually, don't take me wrong, but women, I think for a woman it is very, very different. मेरे लिए सबसे पहले उस टाइम ये था कि मेरे पास आज 22,000 आदमी काम करते हैं across my factories. They would have gone out of the job. I would have lost everything. From that challenge, I learned something. I went and led it from the front. When you have to own up कि गलती हुई है, शायद प्रोडक्ट सही नहीं है ना कस्टमर के सामने, बहुत, it's a big deal. I did that. I led it from the front. I went and met each and every customer across the globe. Because I owned it. I said, let me come back to you with an industry-defining traceability. And I did that. Every month I kept on going to them. So that time also only one customer left. Everybody was with us, supported us. So, to your question, today, in fact, Target is also working with us, so everything is back. But one thing, जो challenge आता है, उसे सीखना होता है. And that challenge is so critical for you to learn. I think उसके बाद sustainability, ESG, हमारा governance industry में सबसे best हो गया. Our company became a very different company altogether. And that's where I think I always believe never let any challenge go to waste. Learn from it.
और एक छोटी बात है, ये जो हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म है ना, ये जैन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. इट्स एन बिजनेस. नो डाउट वी आर जैन, वी आर, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. आवर वुमेन, they like to go for kitties, parties, and all other things. Purse is the thing which I am giving my challenge to my wife. If she will not buy purse, if she will not buy purse, I will do everything what she want. But the purse is the technology. And as you are such a good industrialist, or I can say wonderful woman entrepreneur, if you can give online, our Jito lady, once in a month, 30 minutes, our Sangeeta ji is there, she is more proper lady for this, will be the best thing, and we all gents will be thankful to you.
क्या बोले मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया. नहीं मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया क्या बोले. रवि भाई आप क्या बोले समझ में नहीं आया मुझे.
Excuse me?
अच्छा बोला ना.
ये बहुत गलत है and बहुत demeaning है.
किट्टी पार्टी कहाँ करते हैं हम लोग.
And जब मैं टेक्सटाइल्स में भी आई थी ना, मुझे बोला गया था कि आप तो चेयरमैन की वाइफ हैं, आपको कुछ नहीं आता है, आप क्या कर लोगे, ये कंपनी तो बिल्कुल इट विल गो डाउन द ड्रेन. डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट अ पावर ऑफ अ वुमन, प्लीज.
There is the only power in our families, that is women. She gives a birth, she teaches, she is a wife, everything is there. Only the thing, what I feel, that our Jito ladies or all our Jain ladies must come out with some entrepreneur activities. Sangeeta is doing, so she is happy, but other must come out also.
Sadar Jai Jinendra, to my brother, please update your knowledge. I truly agree up to some mark that few ladies are not able to join or not doing it, but that's not the case, please. And sorry, I'm talking on behalf of everybody. हाँ सर, यहाँ पे मैं खुद 33 years का मेरा एडवोकेट हाई कोर्ट का प्रैक्टिस है, एंड जीतो लेडीज आर डेफिनेटली डूइंग ग्रेट जॉब एंड कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू बोर्ड एज वेल. सो प्लीज माइंड योर वर्ड. आई एम सॉरी टू से, एंड ऑल लेडीज आर वर्किंग. थैंक यू. एंड मेरे भाइयों को गुजारिश है, अपने बीवी और बेटियों को आप प्लेटफॉर्म
No, I will
दीजिए,
take this. I'm going to
उन्हें
take
अपने
this.
बिजनेस में एंट्री कराइए. थैंक यू सो मच.
हेलो.
रवि भैया, आपको एक बात बताते हैं. हाँ, हम कुछ औरतें बिजनेस करती है, पर हम सब घर चलाती है आपका. एंड डोंट एवर अंडर एस्टिमेट अ होम मेकर. आज के बच्चों के संस्कार हम देते हैं, आपका एक माँ बाप को हम केयर करते हैं, आपकी पूरी फैमिली को हम चलाते हैं. सो डोंट एवर अंडर एस्टिमेट अ होम मेकर.
I'd like to add to this, please. Number one, Shri, I agree with Sangeeta too.
Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you both. May I please invite on stage Meenul Khona, Sushma Kankaria and Manoj Ji Mehta to felicitate the Honorable Speaker of this session and say thank you on behalf of Jito Converge.